Our esteemed Secretary Supervisor, permit me to deliver a speech on behalf of the Osustu. Osustu speech delivered by Reverend Solomon Kwate, Osustu Secretary, at the 2022 Homowo Educational Quiz Competition held Thursday, 29 September 2022. The Osu Manche, Empowerment Chief of the Osu Traditional Area, TTT, Inote Homowo the Fourth, Osu Nabu Prote Ulong, Nomo Lord Usika the Third, Osu Kinkawi Jaseche, Nin Saman Ache the Seventh, Osu Ashanti Jaseche, Nin Norte Ututuche the Second, and elders of the four quarters of Osu Traditional Area. At the preparation stage for the 2022 Homowo Festival, decided to make the next generation a part of this year's Homowo Festival celebration. At the break of a new dawn, Inote Homowo the Fourth made education one of the topmost priorities in his development agenda for the traditional area. His firm belief in empowering the next generation to become great leaders to change the narrative of our community and the country in general orchestrated the Mandela Declaration in April 2022. To give a tangible feel to the Mandela Declaration, the Osustu, in collaboration with Ni Homowo Foundation, has organized the maiden 2022 Osu Homowo Educational Quiz team, empowering the next generation to support the development of Osu through Education Foundation.
The aim of the foundation is to provide support for training of individuals and residents of Osu to help them acquire the relevant career and professional skills to improve their standard of living. This quiz, which has been instituted as an annual quiz, is aimed at developing capabilities of the students and enrich them with the requisite knowledge as they build themselves into responsible citizens of Osu. This aim clearly falls in line with the objective of the Ni Homowo Memorial Foundation, Ni Homowo the First and Ni Homowo the Second. Both chiefs made remarkable contributions to the growth of Osu and the establishment of relevant structures to build a resilient heritage.
Road, your major question. In what language was the Old Testament written? Hebrew. St. Peter's. In the Bible, there was only one female judge of Israel.
Deborah
brought Jesus gifts when he was born. Wise men, the wise men. For a word of St. Peter's, there was Osusalem. No, St. Douglas. Ìgbòsílẹ̀ èlò fi yẹ.
Wow, madam, thank you so much. Yes. God
The
bless
third
you.
award goes to St. Peter's RC Basic.
St. Peter's RC Basic. Wow, what's a little traveling. Wow, they're traveling. School here, very clear.
Salem Presi J.A.
Also, Salem Presi. Okay, hold on. The Eva, the Kenny, the Eva, will be an